Hi everybody, I'm back for another unboxing, and you can see this one says Foxy Fix. You can also see that it is a little envelope, so you can tell that there's not a traveler's notebook or something like that in this. I ordered a few things, and you can see we have a little helper today. Let's see, maybe she'll want this little thing as a, oh, here, wait, let me get it for you. Look, there we go. Oh, there we go. Got it, get it. Go get it. And there she goes. So I just wanted to do a quick little unboxing so you can see, make sure I got everything out, what I ordered. Okay, I ordered a few leather samples, and then I also ordered a few small leather goods. Ooh, yay. So, like with all Foxy Fix orders, you get a business card, which has all of their contact information, and right there on the back. Ooh, I had not seen this leather sample. This is the Foxy Fix Spice Midnight. It's a very deep dark blue. That's a really pretty color, really pretty. I'm wondering if that one, I think they might be out of stock or inventory, but I did order a few samples. I had wondered, I have a black Lush notebook. I've had multiple Wanderlust Licorice notebooks, and I'd had a Spice notebook, but I wanted to see what this leather here looked like. This is Foxy Fix Zoe Spice, and it's in the Posh is the color name, which is a deep dark black, and it's this beautiful pebble. Beautiful. I really like that leather. It reminds me of the leather that they use on the Giglios, the Giglio Giramondos, and it also reminds me of the leather that they use on the Moterm Faux Giglios. That really just soft, but really beautiful texture to it. I'm not sure if that's showing up well. And then the next thing I have here is a spice pepper. I had a spice pepper personal size a year or two ago, and it was a beautiful notebook, and then I switched out of personal, and then of course went right back to it and was like, oh, why did I sell that since they don't have it anymore? But then here is the Boss Babe Madison, another black, and that's a really nice leather too. And then here is the Blackbeauty Lush, which I have a notebook, a personal notebook in this size. But I just wanted to see, you know, the difference. The ones that have the most texture are the Lush Blackbeauty and the Zoe Spice, or sorry, the Zoe Posh, but they're very different leathers. The Blackbeauty is just like really soft and squishy, and so is the Zoe Posh, but it has a bit more structure, and I wonder if that has to do with the pebbling. And of course, the spice pepper is just a beautiful one, and it does wrinkle. Some of the spice leathers do show wrinkles, some of them don't, but I think most of the spice pepper do. And the Madison Avenue is a beautiful black, and it looks like this would be the sturdiest of the leathers. Let's see. So I think, let's see, let's put the Boss Babe on top, then the Zoe, then the Spice, and then the Lush maybe? Yeah. Definitely the most structure in the Boss Babe, then the Posh, then the Pepper, and then the Blackbeauty. But I wanted to see those to compare because I really was wondering what this Posh looks like. So that could be a future purchase next year if they still have the leather, because I have a goal to finish using the year in the notebook I'm using right now. That's so pretty too, that blue. Okay, so let's see what I got. Since I wanted to see what the Zoe leather in Posh was like, I decided to get a pen sleeve in the leather. And this feels like the leather from the Giulio Giramondo. The Giulio Giramondo. It has that same feel to it. It's very pretty. You can see it's a very flexible leather. It's very pretty. It smells really nice too. And then I was surprised that they had this in stock. So I ordered one up right away because they don't have any notebooks in this leather. But this is the Spice. This is the Spice leather. Foxy Fix Spice and Pepper. And it is beautiful. Now this one has a bit more structure than the sample did. And you can see that it's a shiny leather and it does show wrinkles. And it doesn't really scratch too bad, but you know, it's not indestructible like the Wanderlust leathers were. So there you go. I just had a quick little order of black leathers. Zoe, Spice, there's the Spice. There's the Blackbeauty, there's the Spice, there's the Zoe, and then my Boss Babe Madison Avenue. Beautiful leather, beautiful. Okay, I will link Foxy Fix down below, and I'll link, or not link, but I'll list what I have here so you can take a look at what they have. Okay, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.